I will be talking about 5 persons who were interns here in Ashish Center, and now they have graduated from Ashish Center and they have started working in Ecom. It is more important for a special need person to develop the feeling of self-confidence in him, and that is the feeling that Ashish Center has given them.
इंडिया में अभी इन चीज़ों को रिकग्निशन नहीं मिली है एक तरीके से, तो आई रियली वांट कि आप इनको इनकी कैपेबिलिटी को पहचाने कि ये बच्चा कितने अच्छे आपके साथ काम कर सकते हैं और ये हम सबके जैसा ये बन सकते हैं.
Very important for companies to now look beyond just the normal hiding of able-bodied and move on to more inclusive and diverse workplace, because although there are differently abled students or children or youth around, and we tend to kind of have a perception that they can't be included. They can't be a part of the corporate or any workplace environment. It is not so. We did take steps to sensitize our existing employees that yes, there will be differently abled youth who will be working with you, and as humans we should try and make them as comfortable as possible.
जब ये लोग आए थे तो हमारा ट्रेनर भी था साथ में, उन्होंने इनको ट्रेन करा. उसके बाद ये हम लोगों के साथ मिलके काम करा इन्होंने, तो हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इस टाइप के बच्चे हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं.
We thought these candidates might not be able to withstand that kind of pressure during the peak season, but they really surprised us. They said we don't want to go home. We like coming to office and we like doing this work and we will do it. So you can imagine that that myth was totally busted, that they can't cope up with pressure. They can very well do that. More and more companies should make such kind of initiatives. So we have already initiated, and we want more and more companies to take this step, because there is a diverse pool of talent if they just move beyond the normal able bodies and employees and start hiring specially able as well.
जिस टाइम पे हमारे पास काम नहीं होता है उस टाइम पे बच्चों को हम लोग इंजॉय भी करवाते हैं.
कि लंच लेके आ रहा है एंड देन उसका लंच उसने छीन लिया एंड देन वो भाग रहा है इस सर्कल में पूरे राउंड में, एंड वो उसके पीछे भाग रहा है और वो उसको कैच नहीं कर पा रहा है.
बैठ गए और आपस में जोक्स वगैरह ठीक है बोलते हैं, वो अपने तरीके की बात बताते हैं, सर मैं ऐसे गया था, ऐसे हुआ था, ठीक है, और तो उसमें फिर सारे हंसते.
अच्छा लगता है, गाना सुनाते हैं, इनके साथ घुल मिल के हमको भी अच्छा लगता है.